Alright, here's an example that's really similar to problem number 7 in the section R.7 homework, dividing rational expressions. Just like dividing fractions, only these rational expressions you have to factor them first. When you divide fractions, remember that it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So this bottom one, we're going to have to flip over. I'll rewrite it and then we'll factor it. So here's the problem. 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. It's the first rational expression over 3x squared minus 11x minus 20. Okay, I'm rewriting the problem as a multiplication. Instead of dividing by this one, we're going to flip it over so that bottom part comes up top. 3x squared plus 10x plus 8. Then down below you have the 4x squared plus 4x, alright, plus 1. Now what we're going to do is factor everything. Each one of these is trinomial. We're going to factor them all. They factor to binomials. Each one of these also, the lead coefficient is something other than 1. So this 2x squared will split to 2x and x. Now we have to place the factors of negative 3 such that when I check the outsides times the insides, when you add them up, you should get negative 5x. I need to put the 3 here and the 1 here. And I need a 5x, so the 3 has to be negative, the 1 plus. So that's negative 6x plus 1x gives me the negative 5x there. Let's do the bottom. Exact same thing. 3x squared will split to 3x and x. Right, factors of 20. Again, one's plus, one's minus. So when I check the outsides and the insides, when I add those up, it has to add up to negative 11. Alright, we don't want to use the 20 and the 1. Those are just too far apart. We don't want to use the 10 and the 2 either. Let's do the 5. That'll get me 15 and 4. I need this to be negative, so the 5 is going to be negative, the 4 will be plus. That way that's negative 15 plus 4x gives you the negative 11. Alright, factoring the numerator over here. 3x squared will split to 3x and x. Factors of 8 now, both of these are plus. That are going to, when I check the outsides and the insides, add up to 10. Yeah, let's do the 2 and the 4. So my outsides give me 6x plus 4x gives me 10. Then this one on the bottom is actually a perfect square trinomial. 2x and 2x. This will be plus 1, plus 1. Alright, we've factored everything. And this is already multiplication. So now is where you cancel things top and bottom. There's a 3x plus 4, here's a 3x plus 4, here's a 2x plus 1, and a 2x plus 1. And to simplify your answer, type your answer in factored form. Alright, so we want to leave our answer this way. See, nothing else cancels, so your answer you should type in, well, your numbers are going to be different. Just like that, leave it in factored form. What's left over down here, x minus 5, and over here 2x plus 1. Alright, that's how you do it. Again, your trinomials will be different.